We start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. The big topic is the same. Listen to Rechilus. And Rechilus is a negative information. Just said somebody told us what somebody said about us, about our family. So that's that Rechilus. Even the speaker cannot be stopped. When the speaker cannot be stopped. So before that, we said we have to stop somehow. So the easiest way to stop is to change the subject, but later on you have to rebuke that person anyway. It's not like privately. Okay. When the speaker cannot be stopped. When one finds himself in a company of someone speaking the Rechilus and finds it difficult to interrupt the speaker, he must leave. If one cannot bring himself to actually walk away, he must, at the very least, not pay attention to what's being said and must make clear through facial expression that he disapproves of discussion. Okay, so the best way, of course, just stand up and leave. Try to stop. Person is not listening, not reacting. Just stand up and leave. That's it. So, but otherwise, you cannot leave. It's in a meeting of your company. I don't know, for whatever reason, you cannot leave. So just try not to pay attention and with facial expression. Sure, that's I don't approve it. Don't smile. Don't do any things that might be viewed as approval. Okay, stop here.